Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making a video on replacing a screen, and this video works for all Chromebooks, not just a 11-inch Chromebook, but for this video I'm going to be demonstrating with a 11-inch Chromebook. So as you can see in the video and by this screen, it's really damaged and it's unable to display clear images. So in order to replace a screen, the first thing you need to do is take off these adhesive strips on the corners with a wedging tool. You want to gently do this so you don't rip or tear the strip that covers the screw. And you want to do this on both sides because there are two adhesive strips that cover the screws on each bottom corner. Once you've taken off the strips, you use a screwdriver and you take off the little screw that's connecting the edging band of the screen to the screen. This can be a little tricky because it's in a tight place. You want to make sure that you take your time so you don't strip the screw. Once you've done that, you take your wedging tool and you ply off the plastic edging band that covers the screen. So you want to gently do this as well so you don't rip or break the band. At the bottom, it's stuck to the screen, so you just want to gently tear it off and wiggle it around to pull off the perimeter. So now you can access the screen and use your screwdriver to unscrew the screws on each corner. You want to make sure that you apply some pressure on it. And this is one of the trickiest parts because you don't want to strip any of the screws. Okay, so now that you have taken out all of the screws on each corner, you can take off the screen, and you have to remove this wire because that's what displays on the screen. So you need to peel off that little sticker that's connected to the broken screen with a wedging tool. You want to be very careful at this part because you don't want to break or strip any of the wires. So you gently peel it off. You unplug the wire. Here's your broken screen. You don't need that anymore. And you take your new screen, plug the wire back into the outlet, and you'll know when it's all the way in when your new screen turns on with a clear image display. So at this point, you reverse the process and you screw in all the screws back into place so you can secure the screen. And then you peel off the plastic that's covering the new screen. Once you've screwed back in all the screws on each corner, you take the plastic edging band, pop it back into place. Click everything back into place. And then you screw in all the screws in the bottom of each corner. And then you recover each screw with the adhesive cover. Gently flatten it out so it sticks back over. And voila, you have yourself a new screen that presents a clear display image. Thank you.